This is a walk from the store and stuff. You see people walking? It's pretty crazy, man. It's like cars and shit in the snow. That's just there. It's just stuck. Cars go around it and shit like it's blocking it. So, let's go shopping and shit. What you doing out here?
I gotta go to the real quick, man.
Really?
Yeah. Unfortunately.
I'm just like recording shit like this shit is crazy, man. There ain't no buses. You walk in there?
Nah, it's not far. It's right over across the street.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, dude.
Alright, man.
Stay safe.
Man, you right.
I know. It's been a while. Shut up.